everyone, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Cara. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's time for our Happy Valentine's Day Pocket Letter Swap hosted by Linnae from Fashionably 50 something and beyond. I will be listing the names of all the wonderful participants in the description box, and I am super excited to see everybody's unboxings. Joining us today is our cute little Target dollar spot Birdie. I'm going to put that on the side so that we can open up the swap mail that my partner sent me, and we have our little Target bullseye dog. My partner is Crystal from Papercraft Crystal. Thank you so much for doing this swap with me. We did a little fun fact exchange by email, so I'm hoping that I sent her a pocket letter that she will like, and I'm super excited to see what she's made. She is an amazing crafter. I am still learning more about her as I watch her channel and her content. She has made some wonderful shares, and let's have a look. Oh my gosh, and see what is in here. Oh my gosh, I may have to pull this out just a bit. So nice that she protected it. That's a wonderful idea, to put some cardboard so it doesn't get bent. Oh my goodness, here is the card. She loves watercoloring, and I can see a little work of art over here. Let me just turn that over. Let's open up the card. How cool is that? It says howdy. And we have this embossed card. I love how you paper piece this boot. Look at that. So much detail. Love this. Let's see in the back. If it has the maker's mark, it has a Texas stamp there. That is so cool. She is from Texas, so thank you very much. Let me read the card real quick. Thank you so much, Crystal. Inside the card, she has put some washi tape on her notes, so I could essentially use this, and I may be putting this in my journal. Thank you very much. And there are some extras. It looks like she made me an ATC card. And I will be reading the description here at the bottom so we get to know her a little bit better. But first, let me show you the beautiful ATC card she made me. How pretty is that? I love the heart, and you can see all the textures on here, some paint, glitter, and it looks like we have some stitching as well. So let's read the back. Her channel name is Papercraft Crystal. Birthday is December 16th. She likes to paint. She likes doing die cuts, Tim Holtz, ocean, and sunset colors. That's beautiful. She is less enthusiastic about stickers and other purchased ephemera or green. Style, she claims to be the magpie, which means that she likes a variety of styles, but more graphic design and less cute. Oh no, I hope she still likes what I made her. I kind of went with cute, and I hope she appreciates it. Oh my gosh. But anyway, she has included some delicious, it looks like, chocolate treats. So one of the requirements was to include some sweet treats, no other extras. But look, she has shared some chocolate, and I am excited to try these out. I'm trying to see if this is a dark chocolate. We'll have to find out. But this is awesome, and I love the colors. You guys know that I may be incorporating this foil in my junk journal. Also in her card, I didn't want to forget, she had given me some of these enamel dots. And when I started like crafting and getting into the whole shopping at Tuesday morning, one of my favorite items that I always bought were enamel dots. And this was back in like, oh my gosh, 2014, 2015, but really cool. Thank you for that. But let's have a look at how she packaged this pocket letter in a beautiful painted bag. And you can see her favorite colors, definitely the sunset colors with the water, the sun in the background. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at that. We got day and night. I love it. This is so cool. And this could also go into a journal. I love that. Look at the speckles and the splatters on top. What a fun idea. And then we have different shades of colors right in here with our blue. Now I'm going to pull out our pocket letter. I see that, oh my goodness. Let me show you. She had cool cardboard protecting it, but here it is. So let's start right here at the top. And I am just in love with this beautiful lace dangle here with some beads and lace trims. And we have the heart. It looks like it might be a magnet. So I'm going to see if I can, it is. Oh my gosh, it's like a hidden paper clip. And there's a cute kitty cat. How fun is that? Look at the colors. I love mint and pink, so thank you for including that. And then over here at the top, we have these beautifully composed cards. I love it. So if you guys are familiar with ATCs, artist trading cards, essentially if you make them, it's the same size and you can place them in 9 compartments of your pocket letter. And she has done so beautifully here. I love the button on this one and the florals. It says my happy place. Here's another one with a tag. And I love the layerings. You see the lace. There's a coffee cup. Oh my gosh. Mint. And I love the dimension you've added here. This looks like wood veneer. That's really cool. Oh, and then here is one lovely home. Just amazing layering. Lace. Look at that. And then we have this one. Let me push it down because it looks like it shifted in the mail. So you can see it better in what it says over there. How pretty is that? And here's that. Here's another part. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. I love that these tags almost resemble like a little bookmark with the thread. And she's also done this with some of these pieces here held by a button. That's really very creative. I love that. Let me just show you that real quick. And at the top, it says no rain, no flowers. I love spring, and yes, we need the rain so that we will have spring flowers. So that is, I love these, the buttons with the stitching. And then we have paper here with the book, and life is wonderful. How cute is that? I feel some weight. Now, one of the requirements was not to add any extras, but I feel Crystal has added some on the back here. Oh my gosh, what do we have? And I see bags. Let's take a look at envelope number 1. Oh my gosh, Crystal, thank you so much. I don't know if I had given her enough extras. I did put some items in the back of the pocket letter. Oh my gosh, she has shared. And you know what? This is so cool because I am not patient with die cutting. And she has been so kind and generous to share these with me. And I, oopsie, I'm so happy and so thankful for all of these die cuts because this can be very labor intensive, you know, especially if they're small dies. Look at this one. So it's a little tab, right? And you can fold it in half like this. That will be perfect. These are cute little tabs that you can add to your journal pages. She also has one with faux stitching here. Look at this cute, almost like a spool. My dog's dog tag actually looks like that. That's really cute too. And I keep dropping the things. Hold on, let's see. Here we have the banner, little word bubble. I love how she composed this envelope too. It's like a return address and a stamp little die cut. That is number 1. Oh my gosh, she has filled this up. Here is another one. Love the vibrant colors as well. This would be perfect for spring. So let me see if I can hold it together. We have cute tags and pastel colors. We got hearts and tags. This is so cute. Look at that. Isn't that fun? And then we got some florals over there. Thank you very much. I love it. And then we got 7 to go. So put that right there. Yellow envelope here. And let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh. We got more of our heart die cuts. How fun. And I like the florals. Oh, I love that. That's really cool. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. I have a lot of die cuts now that I can add to my stash and use in my projects. Now, how adorable are these cute paper bags? I wonder if she made these. Let's see what's in here. We got pink, and this one says, I love right now. Oh, that's cute. And then we got some tickets. And look at these layered ones. Wow, thank you very much for sharing these. Again, guys, this takes a lot of time to make and put together, but I love pocket letters because you have these little pockets to add some surprises, and that's what she just did. And look at this other paper bag. That's so cute. Crystal, let me know if this is a metal die cut that you bought to create a template. And we have some word sentiments. It says lovely, date and details. How cute is that? I love it. We have this one here. Oh my gosh. Oops, oh my gosh. We have some heart confettis that fell down here in some arrows, but let me show you what else came with it. Here's one with a circular little tag or like little label, and it says love this. How cute would that be as a little dangle, right? And then you have all these other pieces. I don't want to make a mess. I'm just too excited to see what she shared. That is too cute. And then we have these. Hold on. This one, I think I'll pull out last because it looks like it's in our pocket a little bit inside. We got this vellum one. And let's see. It says friend. How pretty. Hello. Love. Selfie. And then another love this. That's really awesome. And then here is our second to the, oh my gosh. She has gifted me a wonderful, oh my gosh, look at these. And it looks like these were painted by her and then die cut at the same time. I see that the base was like a book page, it looks like. How fun is that? That's so pretty. I hope you guys can see the colors. We got birds and hearts and butterflies. What an amazing idea. I love that. That is just really cool. So let me put these here. And I see a dragonfly as well. There's a dragonfly. We'll put that at the top. And then at the bottom here, I see red hearts. So let me pull them out and show you what they look like. And show off that beautiful pocket letter there. It is an envelope with this heart closure. So we'll open it up. How fun would that be to add to your journal and have like a hidden writing spot? Super, super cool. I love it. So thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. Again, a big thank you to Crystal for this amazing pocket letter. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to try the sweet treats that you have shared with me. I am actually going to sit down again after I film this and carefully look at these beautiful cards you included in this pocket letter. They're so beautiful. And I'll be organizing these cute die cuts that you've shared with me. I love it. Again, Linnae, thank you for hosting. Make sure to check out everyone's channels and see what they received and what they made for their partners. Crystal, thank you so much. This is so beautiful and so generous of you. I hope you like what I sent you as well. Guys, I'll see you next time. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.